Hello, 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 hello. Are you able to listen me? Please tell me. Hello, 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 Yeah, I am here to discuss about the gap down today. Why it has opened below this level in Nifty and why it is below 45,448. There is a power of confluence here. The first one here is the Fitch downgrades the US rating to AAA to AA plus. This may be so confusing why it is affecting Indian markets. Not only Indian markets, it affects all over the world markets. Now, let's talk about the power of confluence. Power of confluence is something like when something happens with that, so many different things come together. In simple words, see here. I'll explain it here in the Bank Nifty. See, the first one is why the gap down happened. First one gap down happened, that is about Fitch. Okay, see, first one is about Fitch. Second is 20 daily time frame, 20 EMA resistance. Okay, the third one I'm going to tell you here is the, see, this is the support, that means this is the demand zone from, this is the demand zone from 31st July. Okay, at this point at the 20 MA it took the support here. Once the price opens below the support, once the price opens below the support, it acts as the resistance. When you are in the markets, you listen to this statement most of the time. When the support breaks, then it acts as resistance like this. These are, this is a floor, first floor, and this is the second floor. You are here right now. Okay, you are here right now and you went to the second floor. Then what happens? First time this is your support. Okay, the second time this is your support. Once you went this area, this acts as your support right now. Then when somebody is staying at here, what is their resistance? This is their resistance. Now what is your resistance? This is your resistance. Okay, and if you come below this area, this will again changes into resistance. That means maybe it is so confusing. I'll tell you very clearly. Once you stay here, the price stays here, this line acts as support. Once it breaks below this and goes till here, this acts as resistance. That thing has happened here. This is the daily time frame 20 MA resistance. This is the yellow line, and when it breaks below it and closes below it, the first 5-minute candle, the traders who trade the demand zone and supply zone have entered the market. Okay, this is called power of confluence. When this happens, this sort of down moves will happen. Okay, I don't see any great power of confluence in Nifty, but when Bank Nifty is doing such aggressively, it want to do such, the traders want to enter the market in a bearish view, they'll enter there. So Bank Nifty will lead the Nifty to move like this. And as well as another reason is the Fitch. Because of the Fitch credit rating agency, it has downgraded the US ratings, so that impacted the market. How it has impacted? Why it is showing that effect in Asian markets, blah blah blah, everything will be discussed in a clear video, and I am going to post it in the YouTube as well as in the Telegram channel. Now what should be the action for today? See here, listen to this very carefully, because let's see, is there any comments here. Okay, let's continue here. Now, what is the plan of action for now? See here, I'll tell you. I don't want you to take the trade right now because you don't have knowledge about these concepts. Please don't take trade right now. Just listen what I am saying to you. Okay. Now, right now, what is happening here? Right now, what is happening here? It is taking support at the swing low and the demand zone. Let's see what is this in the daily time frame. See, this is the swing low in the sense this is the last time the price comes here and again bounces back. This is the swing low. I'll show you very clearly. This is the swing low, and as well as this is the support zone, that means demand zone. Okay, this is the demand zone as well as the supply zone. Now what we have to predict from this? What is our next analysis? Okay, whenever we do trading, we have to take care of Nifty and Bank Nifty simultaneously, because when Nifty is moving downwards, there are higher chances to Bank Nifty to move downwards, because Bank Nifty is part of Nifty. Okay, if Nifty goes down, there are higher chances to Bank Nifty to go down. See here how beautifully, elegantly price taking support at this point and again this point. We should not take any trade before the candle closes. Okay, if we take any trade before the candle closes, what happens is, see, this is it seems like it is taking support, but after the completion of the 5-minute candle, there may be it took support here or it closes below this area. Okay, this is the thing you have to consider whenever you are taking the trade. Now, what is my expectation here? This is the swing low and the demand zone here. Once if it takes support here, making a bullish candle here, already it is taking some support here. If it is making some support here, and if this 5-minute candle closes above this area, there are chances to some pullback. Okay, not big pullback, because the effect is very high in the markets. What am I going to do today? Till now, I don't have any plan to take the trade, because these are no something like no trade zones. Even though the first initial balance low got broken, there is an immediate support here. If we take the trade here, there is going to be sometimes there is going to be a pullback, a small pullback, and it will take your stop losses. What I suggest is, please do not take any trade just above resistances, just above resistances, okay, or supports. Now it is breaking here. Now my expectation is, after the 5-minute candle, if it breaks it, the sentiment is so high, right? So there is a chance to fall from here till here. Let's see what will happen in the live markets. And I strictly say that this is the first time you have encountered this sort of things when you are watching my channel, assuming that you don't know anything about Fitch credit rating agency. I am telling this, don't take any trade. But what we can do when this happens for the next time, I'm telling you, because I'm here to teach you how to trade yourself. I'm not here to give you the calls. I just train you to take your trades in the next 1 year, so that you can make your own living. See, it is why it is such a big candle, because I'll tell you the psychology here. The traders who entered the market here, see, at the 20 MA, pushed the price below the support demand zone here. Then the demand zone traders have entered the market here and pushed the price below the R1 this below the R2, and R2 is R2 traders who trade, they want to take the price here and they can't make it because the sentiment, overall market sentiment is so high, then they push the price down here. Okay, again R2 traders have entered the market and again there is a fight between. Finally, those who win the fight is who is in the side of the global market sentiment. The global market sentiment is negative, so they won the race. And see here again, it is taking support here, but the bearish view traders could not allow the bullish view traders to take the price in the opposite direction. Okay, this is how trading days form. These are the days that is happening as a copy of the historical trades, but they are not exactly same. Did you get what I say? These are the copy of previous trades, but not exact copy. These are the repetitive patterns. Once you understand these patterns for a period of at least 6 months, this will give you really great edge. Okay. Now, if it closes below this area and there is a pullback till here, traders will enter the market in Nifty. If the see how erratically it is moving down, because traders are so negative in the market. I think they don't allow to price to go till this resistance. They will keep on moving here. Let's see what is going to happen. If we take the trade here, it is not a good idea because your stop loss is so high. When the novice traders, new traders do that, they will see this big candle and they will take the trade right after the Now let's discuss some more points here. See, it is taking support, looks like taking support, but in my view, it will not go above this area. The traders who know that the global sentiment is negative, they will enter at this area. Okay. If at all we want to trade this in the future videos, what we have to do? We have to place our risk here. What is the risk? Around 20 points in Nifty when you take any trade. Okay. The price comes here. What is the risk reward here? Yes. If the price comes at this point, we can take the trade and we can take our profits at the next level of R3. Sorry, this is R4. But usually what I do, personally, I don't like to trade at these levels. I'm very much interested to take the trades at the CPR at when it opens up with the gap down. If this happens at this area, I would have taken the trade. But there is a gap between this area and this one. So I didn't take any trade till now. I'm interested to trade at this area only. See, whatever may be the trade, I am interested to take the trades at this area, sometimes from here till here. Anything above or below the level, I won't take the trade, because trending days happens only just 30% of the time. When you take the trades below this level, most of the time it reverses and takes your stop loss. That's why I don't take the trade at these levels. My entries would be at the CPR, at the resistance R1 or the support. If it happens gap up, I'm going to take it at the R1. If it is happens to be gap down, I'm going to take it at the S1. But we have to consider so many things here. Okay, you have to develop your own sense towards the market. I'm not someone who tells that join my course and I will give you 100% return giving strategy, something like that. My approach is like long-term journey, and this is the thing that the traders want in my experience. When they learn a course, something like that, and again immediately entering into that area of trading, that would not work out. You have to understand the pros and cons of the markets and how it behaves. Whenever you are taking big losses, how it should be your psychology, and in the long run you can make lots of money. When you are experimenting here with small amounts of money, risking 1000 2000, or about for a month you are risking about 10,000, no problem, but the approach should be right. You have to go in a good direction, right direction. Going in a wrong direction will give you wrong results. I will give you an example for this. The example is, yeah, the example is, if you see the lighthouse in the Kakinada or the lighthouse in the Visakhapatnam, what it do to them? The ships, the big cruise ships, some big ships are going there in the waters of Bay of Bengal, and this lighthouse will be showing them the way to reach their destination. Like they reach the harbor, the port, something like that. They know that there is a landside over there, there is a beach over there to take care of them. When they don't have the lighthouse, they don't know the direction actually. Even though they know, they have their own way of things to know the direction, this lighthouse will help them to know that there is a landside near to them. Okay, and this is the example will give you more clarity. When your direction is right, you're going to have a destination of what you want. Okay, the direction is wrong, what happens? When the ship has changed its direction to 30 degrees, the difference is 30 degrees. Okay, or the difference is 45 degrees. Actually it has to go to 90 degrees, and somehow it changes it has to go something like this, 90 degrees, but the direction of the indicator changes to 45 degrees. What happens? It has to go like this, instead it is going like this. What happened? They don't reach their destination, they are roaming somewhere here. Okay, this is how your trading should not be. You should have a system. You have to practice on that system every single day. Okay, this is not a joke to come into the market, take money. You can take money with experience, with lot of discipline. Now see, it is moving back towards here, and see whether my analysis is right or wrong. This is a strong resistance now. Once it breaks, it is taking support here. Once it breaks it, it acts as strong resistance. Let's see here. In between, I am going to play a video, a music file which attracts money in our life. Being a spiritual person, interested in law of attraction, I used to do these sort of things. If you like it, you can also do these things. Let's go to the YouTube and go to my videos. Then play how to attract, yeah, music for attracting, or else I can play it from my YouTube sounds. I didn't have this frequency here. Okay, let's play this. I hope you are listening. If you don't like the music, you can tell me without any problem. I will just switch off it. Okay, what I have a question here. For option selling, should we select OTM? Yes, but there is a concept behind it. Yeah. I'm planning a video series on the options trading. Let me show you on this occasion. I'm planning this. I think this is going to be helpful to you people. If you are watching this live, I assume that you are my Telegram members, and I would like to deliver maximum value to the subscribers and my exclusive Telegram subscribers. Now I'm working on, yeah, on this options presentation. See, I'm going to plan a series of videos on options which is very simple and crisp. When you watch these videos, you can be able to know very exact answer to you. For example, this is the options and this is the about. I'm going to share about the option vocabulary first, then the option concepts. For example, if you want to know about the in the money for in the case of option buying, in the money in the case of option buying is different than in the money in the case of option selling. Did you understand what I am saying? When you are a option buyer, your in the money should be different, and when you are a option seller, your in the money, out of the money, at the money should be different, right? And if you are bullish in the market, then your in the money, out of the money is different. When you are new to the concept of the stock market options, this will help you a lot. I have a plan that I will create small and crisp videos about option buying, option selling, in that in the money, at the money, out of the money, like this. Once it completes, I'm going to give you the link here. As you are watching the live, I'm going to give some insights about this. In options, we are having option buying and option selling. In option buying, we have calls and puts. Option buying call indicates bullishness. Okay. Option buying call indicates bullishness. Option buying put indicates bearishness. In that also, when you are bullish about the market, what happened? You have to select the in the money, at the money, out of the money here. Which one you have to select? This is a big question for the new traders. In my view, you can select, as you are a bullish option buyer, you have to select at the money and in the money. You should not select out of the money here. Why? Because out of the money options are having high theta decay, and the values of theta decay here is out of the money very high, and at the money the value is if you see here, you have to consider about theta decay than option buying, you have to consider about the deltas here. Okay, how option selling is impacting the option buyers, like that delta is going to impact the option sellers. Okay, delta is going to impact the option sellers. What is delta? Delta is a value that gives us the profit, like at the ATM options you are going to have 0.5 delta. Where is the pencil here? Okay, you are having at the money 0.5 delta, and in the money you are having 0.7 delta, 0.9 delta. That means when 1 point moves on, you are going to get 50 points. Okay, when 1 point moves on the option chart, you are going to get 0.5 points in the. Sorry, there is a confusion because I didn't prepared about it. I have knowledge, but give me some time. At the money option, you are having 0.5 delta here. Okay, in that 0.5 delta, when in the option chart, when in the spot chart, if it moves 10 points, in the option chart it is about 5 points only. Okay, in the money, according to the delta value, it changes. Most of the time you discover that as per the trade you have to lose around 1000 rupees, but sometimes it is around 1400 rupees you have lost. Why? That is because you have taken the in the money option with the bullish view. Option buyer in the money option. When you get money at in the money, you are going to get high profits. At the same time, you are going to get high losses also. This is the risk in the money. So I always say that we risk reasonable and we profit reasonable at the ATM, at the money. This is how these things will be very crisp. I'm going to do very minute videos on this. When you want to learn about in the money bullish view, you are bullish in the market as an option seller, you can go to watch at this particular video only. This is my view, and I'm going to do all the videos of options vocabulary. Then next I'm going to do videos on different strategies. Let's go to the charts and see what is happening here. See, they don't want the price to go till here. Traders are really excited to take the price in the bearish view. They don't allow the buyers. These are the buyers who don't know about today's information, like Fitch decreases or downgrades the US rating. They don't know about it. They came to the market without the pre-market analysis, without prior knowledge, and they simply come here and trade like it's okay. Nothing happens. I just enter the market and see whether it gives me profit or not or loss. When they enter at this point and as they expected the price is going up, right? Then suddenly what happens? This candle is shooting down like this, and new traders used to pray to the God that please make the price in my direction. The hope is just for the hopeless people in the markets. When in life you have to be hopeful, you have to be faithful, like that statements are there, but in market it will not leave you as you are a new trader or a newcomer. Market will punish you definitely every time you entered wrong. Market is the almighty here. When it triggers your stop loss, respect the stop loss. Why I am saying that? When it triggers in the sense your direction is not so great, all the other market participants are not with you, the financial institutions are not with you. Once it has done, stay out of the market. All this confidence comes from the backtesting. When you backtest the charts of last 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years and 4 years, you came to know some patterns are affecting the markets. What I will do here, in the yesterday's video, I have posted this video. I'll tell you what is this. Okay, let's see. In this video, I have, yes, at this video, I have told that I'm going to do a video on these things, okay? And what I do is, I just go here by the end of the markets and I place a text message here. I place a text message at this point like the US Fitch downgrades US ratings, and I'll show you how exactly I do these things, okay, so that you will understand the right way to do it. By the way, these are the charts from May and June, complete charts from May and June. I have some more charts, the backtest for the last 6 months charts, but this is a new laptop. I'm just bought it on April. That's why I have only these charts. See here what I have done in the earlier trades. These are the charts for my backtesting. See here. Fed interest rate hike on 27 July 2023. I do like this. Okay. I told in that video I'm going to make a video if I'm getting the video of 100 likes. So when it crosses the 100 likes, I'm going to do an exclusive video on Fed interest rate hike and the 20 EMA daily time frame strategy. What are the criteria that affect to trade like this? What are the trend changing days? What are the impacts that affect the market to trend like this? Okay, exclusively I am going to do it. Now this is the red line is the swing low. This is the support zone. Let's see, Nifty already it is at the R4. This is interesting. It breaks and goes below this area, then this is acting as a strong impact in the market. Let's see what will happen. Maybe at this point, Bank Nifty will take support for some time. At this point, Nifty will take support. As it is broking R4 in the sense, there is a strong news for the market. This Fitch downgrades rating of US. I have to do a video on this. Is it looks like it will break the level also. So let's see what will happen. If it goes till here, we can take the trade and we expect to take our profits at this level.